Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's video, I'll show you how to earn free USDT on Binance in 2025. Yes, completely legit and step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Binance app and log into your account. Step 2. Tap on More from the homepage to access all features. Step 3. Scroll down and tap on Rewards Hub. This is where Binance shares ongoing promotions and giveaways. Step 4. Complete simple tasks like taking quizzes, referring friends, or joining campaigns. Many of these give free USDT or vouchers as rewards. Step 5. You can also try Binance Earn. Tap Earn and choose Simple Earn or Flexible Savings. Some promotions offer bonus USDT for staking or saving crypto. Step 6. Participate in Learn and Earn activities. Binance pays you USDT for watching short videos and answering quiz questions. Step 7. Check the airdrop section and P2P welcome rewards. New users often receive USDT bonuses for completing first trades. And that's it. Easy ways to earn free USDT using just your phone. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more crypto tips. See you next time.